How to download and install Microsoft PowerPoint for free. Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let us get started. First of all, launch your Microsoft Store from your device. At the top search bar, type in Office 365. Once done, you will see Microsoft 365 Office. Click onto that application. And under here, you will see Get option. As I already have installed this application, it shows Open. In your case, it might be shown Get. So click on to Get and install this application in your PC. Now, once you have installed this application in your PC, open up a new search browser. And at the top search bar, again type Office 365. Once done, you will see its official website. Click Open it. And at this page, you have to click on to Sign in. Sign in using your Microsoft account. And once you're logged into your Microsoft account, you will see Install Apps. And in case you don't want to install apps, you can also use this online for free. On your left-hand side, you will see PowerPoint as well. Click onto it. And here you will be given various options. Click onto Blank Presentation, and that way you can use Microsoft PowerPoint for absolutely free. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.